This is practically going to be the most important trading video you are ever going to need, all right? The big question every trader should ask is, when is money flowing into Bitcoin and when is money flowing in and out of Ethereum? In fact, what coins should I be buying? All right, these are questions every crypto trader wants to know. Now, stick around to the end of this video. In less than 10 minutes, I will reveal to you the trading mystery behind Ethereum and Bitcoin and how you can make huge profits like my community do. Now, so the first thing I want to know is that there is an interplay between Ethereum and Bitcoin. And this is the chart, ETH BTC. All right, now this chart is going to show you how money flows in and out of the cycle. I'm talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin and which of them is outperforming the other. Currently, you can see that here at this point, there is something very interesting going on right here. Now, look at this formation very critically. You can see that it's actually what we call a liquidity sweep currently happening, and price has retested the order block perfectly. Now, before we go into this, I want to quickly show you that we are actually on a ranging market from the weekly time frame. If you run through your analysis, you will see perfectly that we'll have our range high somewhere around here. Of course, we do have our range low somewhere around here. So this is looking more like a reaccumulation schematic. All right, it's looking like a reaccumulation schematic. And this is looking like our spring. If you do trade Wyckoff, you should know what I'm saying by now. This is looking more like a spring reaction. Now, anyway, let me not confuse you so much. I'm going to make this very simple to understand. Now, if you do know about SMC, smart money concept, if you do know about SMC, you should be familiar with this type of schematic where we have change of character somewhere around here, and then we'll have a sweep of liquidity coming below. All right, let me just take out this swing. Let me just take out this range low and range high out of the equation and focus more on current price action. Now, this is where we are. All right, price took out the liquidity from here. Liquidity is our liquidity, and of course, this is a change of character. Change of character, and then price has come back to retest this zone. Now, what this is telling you is that currently, Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin, meaning Ethereum is going to move faster than Bitcoin. Now, both assets are positively correlated. They ought to move together, but sometimes we do have these deviations, and it is very, very important that you do take advantage of them while the time lasts. Now, we have the deviation already. Now, price is going to move from here. It's going to move from here to this point, to this range high up here. And this is over 53%. So imagine us having this sort of big move, this sort of massive move. Now, let's look at what Ethereum is doing currently. Let's look at what Ethereum is doing. Let's look at what Ethereum is doing. I gave this signal on my VIP group, and a lot of persons made so much profits from this. They made tons and tons and tons of profits from this particular. All right. Now, if it happens that you are in my community, there's no way you won't be making such profits, because I know when the market is going to move and I know when the market is going to stall. I also know when Bitcoin will move, and I also know when Bitcoin is not going to move. I predicted 3,000 on BTC, And I'm very, very, very sure that a lot of you who are actually in my VIP group must have taken that signal. But anyway, so basically this is what Ethereum is doing. So Ethereum is definitely going to be hitting at least 3,600 in the coming weeks, and most likely going to break through this key order block here that we have, and then flip it up into a breakup block. I'm very, very sure of that. It's going to flip through like this, come back, retest this zone, and then fly up. So Ethereum is going to move. Ethereum is going to move faster than Bitcoin. All right, it's going to move faster than Bitcoin. So it is good that you take advantage of these things while you can. All right, this is it right now. It's already hitting 3,000, and as you can see, it's heading towards 3,600. But anyway, that's it for that. So there are other projects that are actually operating on that Ethereum blockchain that you can also be looking at. Currently, we have these projects. I'm looking at ARB, Arbitrum. I'm looking at AAVE, AAVE. I'm also looking at a lot of them, man. I'm looking at Optimism, looking at OPUSDT. Let's quickly see what the chart looks like. OP, see what it looks like. Practically bullish. In fact, it just retested this key level. Show you what I'm saying. It just retested this key level. Just retested this key level, and it has moved up. So apparently, we still have more moves to be made towards the upside. So guys, this is basically how you trade. Know when money is moving into Bitcoin and when money is moving out of Bitcoin into Ethereum, and then target a few projects that you should be doing your analysis for. Now, I'm going to be having a trading session, a mentorship session actually. Then I'm going to be revealing all these secrets to a few persons, okay? It's going to be starting on the 24th of February. So you're going to book a slot for that. The fees is not drastic. It's just going for 35 USDT. And I'm going to be revealing to you how I make these kind of analysis every single day and make continuous profits day in, day out, guys. I'm going to see you on the inside. I'm going to see you when I see you. Cheers, guys. One love. Peace out. Keep making profits. I'll see you on the next video.